Okay, so the last part of our lesson is the optional one where I talked about showing how to plot in the calculator or scatter plot in the calculator. So here's kind of like a paragraph explanation of it, but I'll let you guys read through it. I think you're going to learn more from me actually doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in. So for example here, if I have the plot the points that are here onto the calculator. So in order to get this, what you see on the screen, there are a couple of things that we do. First, we want to turn this into a table. So turning this data into a table is just simply listing out your X's and your Y's. So we have -5, -2, 1, and 4. Then we have -5, 3, -7, and 8. Okay. After you list those out, you then are going to pull out your handy dandy calculator. So here's our girl Sylvie. With Sylvie, we're going to go ahead and reset her. So to reset any handheld TI-84, it's second plus 7, 1, 2. Okay. After resetting her, we're going to go ahead and create the stats. So we're going to click stats. We're going to click on edit, which is 1. And then we're going to put our values in. So our X values are going to go under L1 and our Y values are going to go under L2. So we have -5, -2, 1, and 4. Okay. Then we have -5. We have 3. We have -7. And we have 8. Okay. After we do that, we're then going to press Y equals. So we press Y equals and we arrow up to where it says plot. Okay. And we're going to press enter. When we arrow down, we should see that plot 1 has now been bolded. Then you're going to press zoom and you're going to go to zoom stat because you want it to find the data that you just put into the stat window. So you're going to press 9 or you can arrow down to 9. So I'm going to press 9 and ta-da, that is how you create the plots, okay, on here. Now, if you wanted them to be connected, I'm going to press second Y equals, and I'm going to go to my plot, which is plot 1. And you have the options to keep it as a scatter plot, or you can turn it into a line graph. So I'm going to press line graph. Again, I don't need to go back to zoom stat. You can if you want to, but it's already been adjusted. So we just then press graph, and then it will connect it using a line graph. Okay. So now you can talk about each interval and what's happening across those intervals. And that's how you use technology to create a scatter plot and a line graph. All right, that concludes our 1.2, and I hope you guys learned a lot.